Here in the mall right now, getting some breakfast. Just at like a random bakery. The food here is pretty crazy. I got one of these today. It's like chicken, and they floss it. So it's just Spencer's getting what, a muffin and whatever, one of those.
Like a stuffed chicken thing.
Yeah, sure, fuck it. It's cheap and it's good. That's what matters. Spencer and I bought these muffins, and nothing like another normal muffin in Canada. Just like filled with chocolate on the inside. Like, good though. What's going on, guys? Today we're at the Batu caves here in Kuala Lumpur. I'm here with Zara, Maya. They're both from England, as well as Spencer and Megan, who's Megan's from Canada. The West Coast though, West Coast gang.
West Coast. Is that a oh my god! No way!
There's monkeys around.
And we're here with goats too, apparently, and monkeys.
Oh, I'm so excited. That looks so cool.
That actually is crazy.
It's insane.
It's also free, which is probably
Yeah, I love it.
The best part of any part of a trip, yeah.
Money on my daily budget.
Woo! Attraction. Watch them like butter.
Vlog.
That's kind of funny though how they put them right in the middle of the grass field. What did they do?
It's just, they ran away, kind of.
Oh, did they?
Zara climbs up a bunch of steps. That's what the title of the video is going to be.
Don't be famous, please.
Okay, yeah.
We got to climb up all these steps with the
Yeah.
Yeah, dude, that's not fair.
I'm happy I wear running shoes, yeah.
Whereas boys are in like short t-shirt and wearing like full length.
Yeah.
I love how we're all in white button-ups. It's like my staple for temples. Like every single temple photo I've got one of
You guys
these
are all
temples.
matching though in the white tops. Was that planned?
No, it's
No?
just like
Oh.
you need to have white ones.
Oh, because it'd be covered. Right. Oh, yeah, okay, yeah. So the women here have to cover up your shoulders and legs, right?
Yeah.
And then the men can just walk in with whatever. So, male privilege. Let's
Whereas
go.
in Thailand you need to cover your knees.
Thailand, men have to cover their knees?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And in Bali you had to wear sarongs.
Oh, I don't have I only have one pair of pants, so.
Love it.
Can I? Okay, dope.
Or you can just buy some like classic Thai.
Yeah, I want to buy some of those, what are they called?
The baggy ones.
Yeah.
You can get them everywhere.
Okay, yeah, I thought. Yeah, this is insane. I want to see a monkey fight a pigeon, to be honest, but why do they put this massive hole in the way?
What the f*** is a pigeon? I'm so confused.
What the?
And there's monkeys and pigeons. Like what the f***?
Great, I'm gonna censor this after.
You're like in the zoo here.
There are so many. Crazy. Monkeys too. Monkeys are just climbing up around the roofs.
Oh look, the monkeys are on the steps this time too.
Wow, it's a crazy photo actually. Can you take a photo of me? Yeah. Monkeys absolutely everywhere. Nice. There's just as many monkeys here as at like the monkey forest in Ubud.
There was almost none on the stairs yesterday when I was here.
Really? Huh, I wonder what attracted
I
them.
saw like one on the stairs. He was a little later.
They
though.
heard we were coming. They're like, oh, we have to go see them.
Most of them are in that direction.
Because they're all coming down, so they must like the little weird.
Look, there's the baby in the middle. Oh. Mom like ripped the child away from him.
So like we're them.
Well, let's hope we can make it up the staircase alive. So
What happened? Did she get
a monkey jumped at her and ran it, and then they got freaked out. You gotta just own yourself when you're walking.
Oh, if a monkey jumped at me, I'd probably scream. Just like make eye contact with them as well.
Yeah, let's keep walking.
Yeah, just keep walking. Just don't turn.
All right, well, shall we?
Yeah, we can walk a bit. They're fine for the most part.
All right, the fun part.
Kinda just.
Walking past all the monkeys. Oh, that monkey just stole the bag.
Wait, actually.
She literally just ripped it out of her hand. Okay, well, hold your shit. Kinda gotta have confidence walking up the hill here. Monkeys will try and steal anything from you. Hold all your stuff together. It's all like attached to the carabiner to my hip too, so to my bag at least, so you should be okay. So the GoPro died, but here at the caves now. Crazy. Crazy.
Workout and a half.
You walk up the hill, the calves, they burn. Oh my gosh. Just, you know, me and the boys. Bunch of chickens in the cave for some reason. Okay. We are at the, what do you call this again? Infinity pool on top of our hostel.
Yeah, that's it.
Hi, Austin. What's going on? Today I am in Kuala Lumpur. These are the two massive Petronas Twin Towers. Petronas is also the company that owns with Mercedes, like the Formula One race team. I don't know if this is their like headquarters or main building, but pretty crazy. I've been in Kuala Lumpur for 2 days now, but I haven't actually had a chance to explore the city very much. I've done a few other things around, but I've mostly been taking it pretty chill. So today is my day to kind of explore, get lost a little bit, and hopefully end up probably at the top of those towers in a bit. Inside KLCC, Kuala Lumpur City Center, where the two big towers are, they have a massive wall as well, with both a movie theater and a Chili's. I've seen a few Chili's here, which is like, they're pretty American brands, so to see them in Kuala Lumpur like a couple times, it's kind of funny. Got my ticket. It's like a 45-minute to an hour guided tour, so it should be good. We go up to the observation decks and stuff across the bridge. It actually wasn't that expensive. It was only 80. It's only 20 bucks. It's a $20 tour. It's not that bad. Plus, you know, we're here, so might as well do it. All right, so we're on the bridge now. We took the ticket up, or took the elevator up. Oh, that's pretty crazy. This building are massive. They're like 81 stories was what the elevator went up to, but I wouldn't be surprised if there's even more. Notice too, there's a lot of construction in downtown Kuala Lumpur. Might be a little tough to tell. There's a white building over there, and I'm pretty sure that's the hostel I'm staying at. From the hostel, you can see a great view of the bridge, so it must be the exact same building. This bridge is nowhere near the top though. It's like barely halfway up the building. I think we're on the 40th or maybe almost 50th floor. Apparently the building too has like 50 some elevators. Like there's 26 or something high speed ones, 6 I think like utility ones, like heavy duty ones, and then just a bunch of other service ones as well. There's actually a restaurant too. Right on one of those floors there. That'd be a pretty sweet place to eat. I don't even know if that's an option to me. But both these buildings are like actual like office buildings. Like they're called the Petronas Towers, right? It's I think a fuel company or some type of oil company. I know that they own the Mercedes Formula One team, right? It's a Petronas Mercedes team, and I think this is where their head office is. It must be. The building's massive, so I'd be surprised if it was anything else. All right, we're at the very top now. This is the 86th floor. Crazy. You can see my house from here. You can see so far, I can literally see the caves that I was at yesterday. It's a big kind of brown spot. Big brown spot on the mountain. There's a gold figure in front, and you can kind of see it. I mean, I'm pretty sure that's it. So each tower is 88 floors tall, and it contains 13,200 cubic meters of reinforced concrete, which is about almost 33 tons under each tower, like into the ground. Towers can withstand winds up to 105 kilometers per hour, which is apparently 1/3 of the wind of Hurricane Katrina. So basically, if a hurricane hits, they're screwed, but I mean, hopefully they'll be fine. Oh. The sky bridge that we were on before is actually not attached to the towers. It's made to slide in and out of them so that when winds blow, it doesn't actually like just snap in half. And they are currently the tallest twin towers in the world. Yeah, pretty cool. Pretty high up here. You can really see it all, I have to say. You can literally do a whole 360 view of Malaysia or Kuala Lumpur. This camera thing's actually crazy. You can see like people so far away. Alright, I just walked like 1.5 kilometers to get to this street called Jalan Alor. It's a big kind of like food district here in downtown Malaysia. A little quiet right now, but it's super pretty. Hopefully stop in and find a place to eat. Oh, like fresh fish.
Sorry.
No, I'll go.
You want spot?
Yeah, sure. Hey now?
Minum apa?
Thank you. Oh, drink? No, I'm okay. I'm okay.
Ini es kosong siapa punya dia, Mak? Minum apa? Tak mau minum? No.
Drink? No, I'm okay. Thank you. Oh, it's so good. We stopped in at a local shop on the street here. Got some rice with like curry on it, some more veggies, and fried chicken. Delicious. Cool. Chicken's hot, but man, absolutely delicious. I think it's one of the best fried chicken I've ever had. The skin is so crispy. Crazy. Oh yeah. Keep it. Yeah, thank you. Yeah. Thank you. Oh, that was so good. That was absolutely delicious. Fuck. I generally think that's one of the best fried chicken I've ever had. I don't know, just super crispy, tender, but like it's a little like not sweet, but just I don't know, perfectly salty. Oh, happy Cameron. Never crossed directly across the street before. Everyone stops for me.